Here are a few tips to help you improve your English speaking skills. 1. Practice regularly. Like any skill, regular practice is essential for improvement. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to practice speaking English. 2. Listen to native speakers. Immerse yourself in the language by listening to native English speakers. This will help you pick up on pronunciation, intonation, and natural phrases. 3. Repeat and imitate. Practice by repeating and imitating what you hear. Play recordings or dialogues and try to mimic the speakers. This will help improve your pronunciation and fluency. 4. Engage in conversations. Find opportunities to have conversations in English. This can be with native speakers, language exchange partners, or even online discussion forums. The more you practice speaking, the better you will become. 5. Focus on fluency, not perfection. Don't be too concerned about making mistakes. The most important thing is to communicate your ideas and thoughts. Focus on fluency and gradually work on accuracy. 6. Use language learning apps. There are many language learning apps available that can help you practice speaking English. These apps often have interactive exercises and conversation practice sections. 7. Watch English movies and TV shows. Watching movies and TV shows in English can help you improve your listening comprehension and expose you to different accents and speech patterns. 8. Keep a vocabulary journal. Note down new words and phrases that you come across during your English practice. Review them regularly and try to incorporate them into your conversations. 9. Join English-speaking communities. Joining English-speaking communities, either in person or online, can provide you with more opportunities to practice speaking and receive feedback. 10. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, making mistakes is a normal part of the learning process. Embrace them as learning opportunities and keep practicing. By incorporating these tips into your English speaking practice, you'll gradually become more confident and fluent in the language. Good luck!